Spooky Hollow, Sleepy Hollow, Nature's Hallway. All names this particular location may go by. Local legends speak of this place being haunted by the ghost or spirit who lurks under an old wooden bridge just down the road from here.
Did you lock the car?
Huh?
Did you lock the car?
Yeah. Neat how the water runs down it. All that stuff will eventually fall in. This chasm will get wider and wider. I don't know, we always tend to go through stuff and over it.
That tree. Finds a way, doesn't it?
I think I've seen a picture of someone sitting on that one. You won't, there's wasps living in it.
Hell no. Is it too cold for them now?
No. See what it is? How does it feel? Does it feel cold to you now?
Not right now, but it's been cold.
Allegedly, a bus full of Boy Scouts collided with a drunk driver while traveling the twisty, narrow roads of Spooky Hollow. One of the Boy Scouts died as a result. It is said that if a person drives over the bridge, the ghost of the boy causes the car to stall or appear to run out of gas just long enough to make sure that that person is not the one who ended his life. After doing some research, no records of such an accident could be found.
You did find something. Was this what you were seeing? There's something there too. See it?
Yeah.
I don't know what this. Well, we can go back down that way and look. What is it, a basement?
It is reputed to be a haven for Satan worshippers, escaped psychopaths, werewolves, and witches. I can possibly believe the Satan worshippers and psychopaths, but most psychopaths are running around without having been committed or escaped from some institution.
This isn't what we're looking for. Oh, I see what you mean now.
There are some rumors that a few months ago, an elderly woman named Sadie Davis was found dead on the Spooky Hollow beach. She was dressed as a witch. This raised some speculation to real covens operating in this area. I find this story highly unlikely, since the only Sadie Davis I have been able to locate within a recent time frame passed away in Kansas City, Kansas. I have not been able to find any news articles or other information to support this story.
Goes back pretty far.
The land around this area is a wildlife preserve and can make for a nice hike, providing a chance to see local plant and wildlife. As far as spooks, ghosts, spirits, or any other paranormal events in this area, I did not come across anything on my exploration of this area. There may be 1 or 2 storm cellars in this area. We were not able to find them with the amount of time we spent there. We did visit some of the locals who did acknowledge the existence of the cellars, but this adventure will have to wait for another day.